नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मॅनेजमेंट 22509चे इम्पॉर्टंट MCQs आता आपण बघणार आहोत, जे तुम्हाला उद्याच्या परीक्षेसाठी महत्त्वाचे असू शकतात. डॅश इज ॲन एक्झाम्पल ऑफ अनसेफ वर्किंग कंडिशन. ऑप्शन्स आर पुअर डिसिप्लिन ॲट वर्कप्लेस, लॅक ऑफ सेफ्टी अवेअरनेस, ओनली surface and untrained worker, and correct option is lack of safety awareness is example of unsafe working condition. Second question is dash does not belongs to Henry Falk's principle of management. Options are scalar change, standardization, authority and discipline, and the correct option is standardization. That means standardization does not belongs to Henry's principle. Next is according to principle of management, the figure relates to dash principle. See, these are the workers. Here is a supervisor, and the options are division of work, unity of direction, unity of command and initiative, and the answer is unity of command. The process of deciding what to do, when to do, how to do, it is called as, options are organizing, controlling, planning and directing, and answer is planning. In planning, it is decided what to do, when to do and how to do. Next is organization is first option, physical location where people work, a group of people working for same company, an intended arrangement of people to achieve specific goal, and fourth is none. And the answer is organization, it is a group of working for same company. Then next is who define management as art of getting things done through with people and formally organized group. And the options are Harold Kuntz, F.W. Toiler, Elton Cayo and Abraham Maslow, and the answer is Harold Kuntz. Then next question is, to close down a factory, the occupier has to give dash day notice to the authorities. Options are 30, 90, 60 and 15, and the answer is 60 days notice to the authority. Which of the following acts can be classified under unfair labor practice? First is wrongful dismissal of worker. Second is establishing management sponsors trade union. Third is not paying allowances due, and fourth is all ABC. And the answer is first, that is wrongful dismissal of worker. Then next is frequent revision is necessary in which of the following wage component? First option, variable dearness allowance, that is VDA. Then second is basic wage. Third is house rent allowance, and fourth is all ABC. And the answer is first, that is variable dearness allowance, that is VDA. Then next question is, according to Industrial Dispute Act, grievance redressal committee becomes compulsory when the number is, options are 100, 50, 10 and 20, and the answer is 50. Ensuring the safety, health and welfare of the employee is the primary purpose of, first option, Factory Act 1948, second, Workmen Compensation Act, third, Industrial Dispute Act, fourth, Minimum Wages Act, and the answer is A, that is Factories Act. Then next question. Dash legislation is a provision called a Protected Workmen Act, and the options are Trade Union Act 1927, Industrial Dispute Act 1947, Industrial Employment Act 1946, and Factories Act 1948, and the answer is B, that is Industrial Dispute Act 1947. Dash means a person who has not completed his 14th year of age. Options are adult, child, workman and none, and the correct option is a child. Can banking be created as industry? First option, yes, as public utility service. Second, no, as banking comes under finance ministry. Third, no, as there is no production activity in banking. And fourth, no, as finance sector has different regulator. And the answer is A, that is yes, as a public utility service. Therefore, it can be treated as an industry. Which one is not step for fire drill? Create in-house safety committee. Second, define related policies. Third, communicate evacuation routes. And fourth, conduct fire drill regularly. And the answer is B, that is define related policies. Next is the Factory Act is applicable to the premises wherein dash or more workers are employed with use of power. Options are 5, 15, 10, 20, and the correct answer is 10. Next question is, in case of occurrence of fire, first option, run randomly out of building. Second, don't relieve the place of fire. Third, wait for supervisor's instruction. And fourth is safety reach to predetermined safe. And the answer is fourth, that is safety reach to predetermined safe place. Then next question is, there are 162 employees in a factory. The worker, after working for hours, take shop floor and eat their lunch. In the above narrative, which of the welfare provision of? First, canteen facility as worker eat at workplace, shelter or restroom facility at work, then both A and B, and none A and B. And the answer is C, that is both A and E, canteen facility and restroom facility. The condition for disqualification of presiding officer of labor court or industrial tribunal judicial eligibility criteria is age above 65, then none, not an independent person, both A and B, and none A and B. And the answer is B, that is not an independent person. An accident that is disables the affected worker forever, it is known as permanent accident, fatal accident, internal, and none. And it is known as permanent accident which disables the affected worker forever. Which is a cause of accident due to unsafe working conditions? First, bad housekeeping. Second, poor workplace layout. Third, none A and B. And fourth, both A and B. And the answer is poor workplace layout. It is the cause of accident. Internal accident means an first option, accident in the premises of the company. Second, injury without showing external signs. Third, both A and B are correct, and fourth is none. And the answer is injury without showing external sign. It is known as internal accident. Then next is, which are one of the following is not the effect of accident on worker? First is injury to body. Second, loss of job. Third, production stoppage. Fourth, financial loss. And the answer is production stoppage. Next is, using a tool without proper sharpening is first, more easy, more accurate, more dangerous, and all of the above. And the answer is, it is more dangerous, that is tool used without proper sharpening. Then industrial accident causes damage to first, property, material, human. Second, atmosphere, property, trees. Third, human, workstation, nature. And fourth is all. And the answer is all. Long form of PPE is personal protective equipment. Second, pressure pipeline end. Then power pipeline end. And fourth is all. And the answer is personal protective equipment. What is your opinion would be the most powerful persona objective of a Nobel Prize winning department of medical concern? First is money, second is pride of creativity, third is status, and fourth is none. And the answer is pride of creativity. Effective control cannot tolerate first needless delays, second excessive expectation, third excuses, and fourth is all of the above. And answer is all of the above, that is effective control cannot tolerate needless delay, excessive expectation, and excuses. The next question is the process by which a sender transmit content. It is known as first encoding, then feedback, decoding, and receiver. And the answer is decoding. The breakdown point is obtained in intersection of first total revenue and total cost line, second variable cost and fixed cost line, third total cost and variable cost line, and fourth fixed cost and total cost line. And the answer is A, that is total revenue and total cost line. Which of the following is not a part of motivation? First option, verbal and non-verbal, second monetary and non-monetary, then positive and negative, and fourth is none. And the correct option, it is verbal and non-verbal. It is not part of motivation. It is a part of communication. Then dash may lead to make employee confused about their work. First, not feasible and ambiguous order, supervisor correct decision, quality policy, and none. And the answer is first, that is not feasible and ambiguous order may lead to make employee confused about their work. No spoken. This factor is an example of first project, second rule and discipline, third schedule, and fourth program. No smoking, it is the factor of rules and discipline. The employee should receive order and instruction from one supervision only will come under dash management, unity of direction, equity of treatment, unity of command, and discipline. And the answer is unity of command. Then next is organization development is an example of which type of planning? First is operational planning, then contingency planning, next is strategic planning, and fourth is single use planning. And it is a strategic planning. Organization development is staffing refers to measuring performance, management in action, managing the position, and making strategic plan. And answer is staffing refers to managing the position. Management may be called as a dash as well as dash, and the options are art science, objective society, then ideal science, and union society. And the answer is art and science. That means management may be called as an art as well as a science. Identify the function of management which involves filling and keeping field position in organizational structure. First, organizing, staffing, controlling, planning, and the answer is organizing. A reporting relationship in which an employee receives order from and reports to only one supervisor, it is known as options line of authority, unity of direction, centralization, unity of command. And the answer is line of authority, that is reporting to a person. Good planning of supervisor can first reduce manufacturing cycle time, second maintain or improve the product capacity or quality, then reduce delays and damage, and fourth is all of the above. And the answer is maintain or improve product quality. It is a good planning. The process of monitoring, comparing, and correcting, it is called as first option leading, controlling, decision making, and coordinating. And the answer is leading. is known as monitoring, comparing and correcting. Which of the following is true with respect to planning function? First, monitor whether work done properly. Second, make a blueprint of ideas and work, allocation of work to all. And fourth is compare the work done with established standards. And the answer is C, that is allocation of work to all. MSBT board is dash controlling organization of all colleges affiliated to MSBT. Options are centralized, decentralized, non-unique and all. And the answer is MSBT board is centralized organization. Choose the correct statement. Operator plans the capacity of machine. Second statement, supervisor is working as engineer, manager as well as team leader. And the answer is only second statement is correct, that is supervisor is working as engineer, manager as well as team leader. Who developed the concept of hierarchy needs in regards to motivation? F. W. Tyler, Max Weber, Abraham Maslow and Mary Follett. And the answer is C, that is Abraham Maslow developed the concept of hierarchy of needs. Then next is delegation of authority means first financial release, then material release, manpower release and power release. And the answer is power release, that means authority is delegation of authority means power release. Dash flows from bottom level to top level, and the answer is organization. It flows from bottom level to top level. These plans are there to ensure discipline. First, policies, rules, both and none. And the answer is rules are necessary to ensure discipline. If the given task to the individuals is very complex, then task is cancelled. Second, task is divided among group of workers. Third, alternate work is given. And fourth, all of the above. And the answer is alternate work is given if the given task to the individual is very complex.